Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Windsurf. GitHub Copilot acts as a personal coding assistant capable of writing, running, and testing code in the background. It plans, writes, and delivers ready-to-review pull requests, understands your repositories, and works alongside you like an onboarded team member. With agent mode, it analyzes code, proposes edits, and validates results. Let's talk about its pricing. GitHub Copilot offers 3 plans. The free plan costs $0 and includes 50 agent mode, or chat requests, and 2,000 completions per month. The Pro plan costs $10 per month, or $100 per year. The Pro Plus plan, at $39 per month, or $390 per year. Now, we will see its reviews. On Trustpilot, most users praise its coding speed and accuracy, noting how it streamlines development. However, some mention that suggestions can occasionally miss the mark or require human correction. Next, we will talk about Cursor AI, which is trusted by millions of developers and used by top companies like Stripe, OpenAI, Adobe, and Figma. It is designed as a human AI programmer that turns ideas into code, offering features like smart autocomplete, deep code, base understanding, and an agent. Let's talk about its pricing. Cursor AI has 4 main plans. Hobby free with a 2-week pro trial and limited usage. Pro at $20 per month with unlimited tab completions and extended agent limits. Pro Plus at $60 with triple usage on AI models. And Ultra at $200 per month, offering 20 times more usage and priority access to new features. Now, we will see its reviews. According to reviews on Trustpilot, some users find it helpful for fast coding, but many report issues with accuracy, performance, and reliability. On the other hand, Windsurf is built for developers who want a seamless and intelligent coding experience. Its advanced agent, Cascade, codes, fixes, and thinks multiple steps ahead by understanding your intent and managing complex code bases. Windsurf offers features like auto-lint fixing, codebase memories, terminal command automation, and deep integration with tools like GitHub, Slack, and Figma. With turbo mode, drag-and-drop design building, and multi-tool MCP support, it helps developers stay in flow and focus on creative, high-level work. Let's talk about its pricing. Windsurf offers 4 pricing plans: the free plan at no cost, the Pro plan at $15 per user per month, the Teams plan at $30 per user per month, and the Enterprise plan with custom pricing for large organizations requiring advanced features, higher usage limits, and dedicated support. Now, we will see its reviews. On Trustpilot, Windsurf has many complain about things like disappearing credits, poor support response, error messages, and broken features. So, it looks like a risky choice. You should proceed with caution, maybe try with small usage first. Next, we will talk about the pros and cons of GitHub Copilot. On the positive side, GitHub Copilot provides real-time code completions across multiple IDEs, generates context-based suggestions, helps with boilerplate code and documentation, supports Copilot chat for quick assistance, and speeds up development by reducing repetitive work. On the downside, its suggestions can sometimes be inaccurate or suboptimal, may lead to over-reliance, lack understanding of project-specific styles, occasionally produce insecure or inefficient code, and some advanced features are restricted to paid plans. Next, we will talk about the pros and cons of Cursor AI. On the positive side, Cursor AI integrates seamlessly with VS Code while retaining familiar settings, supports context-aware multi-file editing and refactoring, quickly generates code and prototypes from natural language prompts, automates repetitive coding tasks and fixes, and allows rule-based customization to match coding style and project requirements. On the downside, Cursor AI can sometimes give inaccurate or misplaced code suggestions, may slow down performance on large projects, requires an internet connection for most features, has a small learning curve for advanced tools, and raises privacy concerns when handling sensitive code online. Next, we will talk about the pros and cons of Windsurf. On the positive side, Windsurf offers a great full-body workout, improves balance, and provides an exciting experience powered by wind and waves. It helps build a connection with nature, has a friendly beach community, and offers various styles like freestyle and slalom for all skill levels. On the downside, Windsurf can be hard to learn and balance at first, and the equipment is expensive and difficult to transport. It also depends heavily on wind and weather, carries a risk of injuries from falls or strain, and requires suitable water locations for practice. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.